Good afternoon, my viewers, and welcome to my channel. My name is Maria, your spiritual guide. In today's video, I want to teach you how to use an egg to retrieve your glory, to retrieve your star. If you're watching me for the first time, follow, like, subscribe, share, okay? Share, subscribe, and together we can live easier and better lives. Yes, let me dive straight into the video. Most of you are living under manipulation. So many people are using your destinies. So many people are using your stars. Did you know you can use the power of an egg to retrieve that destiny, to retrieve that star, to retrieve your good virtues? Yes, sometimes you're supposed to be rich, but someone is living your financial glory. Other times you're supposed to live longer, but someone is using your life glory. Sometimes you're supposed to live healthier. Someone is living your health glory. Don't be shocked. Yes, there are times people steal away those years from you. They are supposed to die earlier, but they keep collecting stars from other people. They live longer. People keep dying. Someone is living longer and longer and longer because they have collected stars from people. Other people keep growing richer, richer, richer because they have stolen stars from others. I want to teach you how to use this egg, okay? This egg has spiritual benefits. This egg has spiritual significance. It doesn't have to be a brown egg. It can even be a local egg, as long as it is chicken egg, okay? So this is what you're going to do. You will get this egg and say, an egg signifies life, signifies rebirth, signifies new beginnings. And yes, if you look at this egg, it is carrying a life. It is carrying new beginnings. It is carrying rebirth, okay? So after saying that, you say, in the mighty name of God. You pray according to your religion, okay? Pray according to your religion. If you're Islam, pray in the mighty name of Allah. If you're a Christian, pray in the mighty name of Jesus. You can pray in the mighty name of God, okay? So you get it and you say, in the mighty name of Allah, in the mighty name of God, I'm going to use this egg to retrieve my glory, to retrieve my good virtues, to retrieve my destiny. My destiny, wherever you are, come back to me now in the mighty name of God. Like, you can rotate this egg around you 3 times and keep passing it on your body. Yes, anyone, any man, any woman, any spirit on the surface of this earth that is using my destiny, that is using my glory, that is living my virtues, by fire, I command you to bring it now. By fire, I retrieve it now in the mighty name of God. By fire, I retrieve it now in the mighty name of God. Like, you can pray more and more, okay? Make sure you pass it around you. Any form of contact that was used to steal my glory, I bring my glory back. I bring my destiny back. I restore my health. I restore my financial success. I restore my job luck. I restore my marital glory. I restore my life glory. In the mighty name of God, like, pray. After praying, you can go and throw this egg to break. Throw it on a busy road. Throw it on the walkway. Throw it in the bush. Throw it anywhere, as long as you're sure you're throwing it to break. Do only that, and by the special grace of God, according to your prayer, according to what you are restoring, within a few days, within a maximum of few days, at least to 2 weeks, you're going to start to see how everything is going to work out for your good, how your finances are going to improve, how you're going to heal from that evil disease, how you're going to walk well, how you're going to be loved, how you're going to be successful, okay? Anyone who wishes you death, they'll die in your place. Anyone who wants you to be sick, they'll be sick for your sake. Do that, we shall all live easier and healthier lives. Thank you for watching me. Have a blessed afternoon. Goodbye and God bless you. I love you all.